Three cheers for Shillong College men team. Hip hip! Hip hip! First of all, on behalf of the Sports Department of the Northeastern Hill University, I welcome our today's chief guest, Professor B. Panda from Department of Economics. Also, he is looking after many offices, important offices. He is looking after as a finance officer in charge. He is the director of ICSSR. I, on behalf of the Sports Department, sir, welcome you. Once again, I welcome every faculty members, non-teaching staff, teacher, manager, coaches of participating colleges for bearing with us and bringing your students. Since yesterday, I am thinking whether we are able to complete this championship or not. But I do believe always hard work works. God is always with you. Even in football, during football, for the 11 days we have organized, even though rain is there, but morning time rain stopped. Whole night rain is there, but morning time is stopped. And from the beginning I used to inform you that we have only 5 staff members with 2 regular staff. And we are organizing several events. With this, I'd like to welcome our participants from students as well as from the colleges. And I do believe that whomsoever will be selected from here to represent the university for All India Inter-University Cross-Country Championship, not yet declared. Calendar has already published, but I think no one has applied to organize the tournament. I think within few days we'll be receiving the venue and date. And I do believe you'll excel there. Another thing is that for information of every dignitary present here, we'll be having intercollege women football. By looking into the participants of intercollege football, where 32 teams participated for the first time in NEHU. And from the request we are receiving from the colleges, we have included women football also, and we have already started receiving entries from the colleges. This is a good sign. And one thing I would like to request, fitness is something, no? It is like that, it should be like that we are skipping a food, a lunch. We should remember that today I have skipped my exercise time. Okay, fitness for all. It is not that we have around, sorry to say, but we have around more than 2,000 campus residents along with the students. But we are organizing for whom? We are working hard, even holiday, Sunday I am coming to office to do the paperwork, to make correspondence with the colleges for our students only. Okay, we can organize, but it is you to participate. And once you will participate, we will be more motivated to organize some more programs. And some more programs, especially for NEHU students, I would like to say, because of inter-college tournaments, we are unable to organize many events. There are one term is called intramural, that is within the campus. We are going to organize several events. Once we will complete with this inter-college tournament, there will be tag of war, volleyball, basketball, cricket, football, everything will be there specifically for NEHU students. At that time, you please spread the information to your fellow friends to get ready for that. Okay? Thank you very much. Without taking much time, may I request our today's chief guest, Professor B. Panda, to say a few words. Please, sir.
Thank you so much. Very good morning to each one of you. I think it's a wonderful morning today. I think the sun god actually, I think, has been very, very merciful. So also the rain god. And giving us today this best weather, I think, to have this inter-college run. First of all, I thank the sports department led by our teacher in charge, Dr. Dama, and particularly Dr. Das, and all his teammates, staff who have taken all the pains to organize this very important event. All my respected colleagues who are present here itself, Dr. Devra, my teaching staff, faculty members from different departments, different colleges of Meghalaya, and teacher scholars, my dear students, participants, ladies and gentlemen. I think all of you can understand the value of sports. We as a country is a growing country. And in fact, we are claiming the leadership in every dimension, in every field, at the world space, at the world level. We have already become, as an economic power, going to be the third largest economy in the world. We have already become a scientific power in many fields. We are going to become an educational power. We have already become the fourth largest defense power in the world, and we are also emerging very fast as a sports power in the world space. You might have seen, friends, last couple of days, Asian Games is taking place. And you can see the kind of enthusiasm, I think the number of medals that we have won, the prizes that we have won, I think that's the best till date that we have done. More than that, the kind of enthusiasm this event has created all across the country, particularly with the young people, I think we are very, very confident that very soon we are going to be one of the best sports powers in the world. And that's in the context of that, organizing these kind of events at the regional level, at the national level, and in the international level, I think very, very important. Very, very important. And today, once again, I think as Mr. Das has said, that those of you, I think, who win, and then will get an opportunity to represent, I mean to say, our university in the inter-university cross-country run, and maybe that would unfold many, many opportunities for each one of you. And at the individual level, at the societal level, friends, I think development, I teach development economics to my students. Development is all about expanding the capabilities of individuals and societies. When you say capability, it doesn't mean only for academic capability. It doesn't mean a particular capability. It includes different dimensions of capability. Keeping yourself fit, contributing to sports, contributing to academics, together, I think makes development balanced, makes development sustainable. So in that context, I think I congratulate each of you, each one of you. I thank each one of you, including our faculty members, staff, and all of you, faculty members from different colleges, the students, and particularly the participants who have taken all the pain to be with us and to participate in this very, very important event. All the best to all of you, and particularly the sports department who have taken all the pains, I think, to organize this event. A big, I think, thank you to the sports department. And before I end, friends, I just cite two lines from one of my favorite English poet, Longfellow. Longfellow says, "Let the dead past bury its dead. Let the dead past bury its dead. Act in the living present. Act in the living present. Heart within, God overhead." Let's live the past. I think we are not a sports power earlier. I would say in the recent history, maybe thousands years back, we might have been a sports power. But I think let's live the past. Let the dead past bury its dead. Act in the living present. We live in the present. The present, you can see it's unfolding gradually. I think in the Oceania and other kinds of games. Let the dead past bury its dead. Act in the living present. Heart living and God overhead. So the future is ours, the world is ours, the world is yours. With these words, I once again thank Dr. Das and his team for organizing this beautiful event, having its own implications for each one of you, for us in the university, and also our college friends. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your enthusiastic and motivational words. Truly said, this is the first time, I think, that India is going to touch three figures in Asian Games. Yesterday I saw it is 95, and I think today we are going to cross 100. And another thing is that in many athletic events, where before 5 years, even 10 years, because I used to be a distance runner, and we know nowhere India stands. Now in steeplechase, 800 meter, 10,000 meter, Indian names are coming up. And we are giving fight with China like country and South Korea. So this is one of the good signs. And China is, we know, that in Olympics, in 2008 Olympics, where Beijing Olympics, they are the highest number of medal winners. Even they defeated USA. And normally they are the second highest number of medal winners. And we are competing with China now. Now this is a good sign. And another thing I would like to share with you, that as I told you that we are going to send team for inter-university tournament to be organized maximum usually by South Indian universities. Please keep on practicing. This is more important. You can note down your time. Timing is already here. Okay, you can measure the distance. Always run that particular distance to measure your time and bring it down. Before starting of run, I have already shared that if it is below 35, by looking into the terrace and running road, if it is below 35, timing is good. For boys, truly says it is 34 point something. That means your timing is good. So if you practice, you can bring it down to 33 or 32. Okay? So you practice, that is more important. Okay? Mere participation, it will not work. For that, to bring timing down, we have to practice regularly. Okay? Thank you very much. Without taking much time, I will be declaring the result. First, we start with inter-college. Women. Women, third place goes to chest number 029. 029. Grateful Marvin from Philosophian College. Second place goes to 020. Innocencia Timpoin, Nongstoin College. And first place goes to 007 Miss Glorify Purba from Shillong College. Let me inform you that Miss Glorify last year qualified for and our first place holder Glorify Kurba recently held Sora Marathon. She became first position holder in 10,000 meters. Third place goes to chest number 022. S. Sinle from Sinoxium College. Second place goes to 025. Wonderful Paliar, again from Sinoxium College. First place goes to chest number 024, Mr. Obensan Nongrin, again from Sinoxium College. May I request our today's chief guest, Professor B. Panda, to give you the prizes to the winners.
Let's give him a big hand, yeah?
3 cheers for Sinoxium College. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! I'll give 2023. Category 1. Third place goes to chest number 133. 133. प्रयास मरक अरे बेटा बैडमिंटन खेलते खेलते भूल गया सेकंड प्लेस गोज टू चेस्ट नंबर 157 And first place goes to chest number 119. Lasterbon Lamare from Department of Law. Once again, may I request Professor K.C. Cabra to give you the prizes to the winners. Now, category second. Category second, NEHU girls. Third place goes to chest number 156. You should remember your, I'm not going to call the name. Let me check whether you remember your chest number or not. Second place goes to chest number 154. And first place goes to chest number 109. May I request Dr. Mahapatra from Department of Political Science to give you the prizes to the winners. Category third, for teaching and non-teaching, below 35, only one position goes to chest number 139, Briefly Nongrum. May I request Professor Santosh Kumar from Department of Mathematics to give you the prizes to the winner. Please, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Now, category 4, teaching and non-teaching, male, 35 to 50. Chest number, third place goes to chest number 155, 155. 155. Tanbok Dakar. Please come here. Collect your prize. From Department of Political Science. Second place goes to chest number 130. Arning Song Sangma, Department of IT. And first place goes to chest number 146. P. Nongplo from Iflu, I think. From Iflu, please. Very nice. May I request Dr. Chandrakantra from Department of Geography to give you the prizes to the winners. Ma'am, please. No, कोई नहीं है, please. Thank you very much. Now, category 5, teaching, non-teaching, men, 50 to 60. Third place goes to Professor Santosh Kumar, Department of Mathematics. Second place goes to Evergreen Runner, 131, Professor K.C. Kabra, Department of Commerce. And first place goes to again Evergreen Runner of NEHU, Dr. Atul Kumar from Finance Section. May I request Dr. Rajesh Bajpai from Department of Environmental Studies to give you the prizes to the winners, please, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Now, here is the place for senior citizen. Above 60 years. Above 60. Can you imagine what will be our condition when we cross 60? Test number 1, 2, 3, first, second, third. Dr. Bhagirathi Panda from Department of Economics. May I request Professor K.C. Kabra to give you the prizes to our Professor Bhagirathi Panda. Three cheers for our Professor Saab. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
Number is 1, 2, 3, 4, second, third.
Third. That's why Saab didn't allow first and second and third. Thank you very much, sir. You are truly inspiration for us. Now, category 35 to 50, teaching and non-teaching women. Category 8, test number 137, Dr. Chandrakanta. May I request our today's chief guest, Professor B. Panda, to hand over these prizes to our ma'am, Dr. Chandrakanta. Ma'am, please. Sir, please wait a bit. Sir, please wait a bit. Now, championship, NEHU intercollege cross country championship in women. Second place goes to Synapsium College with 11 points. May I request all the participants of Synapsium College, please come forward and collect your trophy from our chief guest. All participants and teacher in charge, please come forward. Teacher in charge, please. Yes. Yes, please, sir. It's okay, sir. We'll take a group photo afterwards. Yeah. First position 15 points, second 10, third 8, fourth 6 points, and fifth 3 points. Now, champion of the NEHU Intercollege Cross Country 2023, women, Shillong College with 21 points. May I request women team of Shillong College along with teacher in charge to come forward and collect your trophies from our chief guest, please.
Congratulations to all of you.
Three cheers for Shillong College women team. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you. Now, here is the runner-up of the NEHU Intercollege Cross Country Men Championship 2023. Second place goes to Shillong College. Runner-up again Shillong College Man section. All the team members of Shillong College, please come forward. Three cheers for Shillong College men team. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Now here is the winner of the NEHU Intercollege Cross Country Man Championship 2023. Synopsium College with 39 points. They got first place, second place, third place and fourth place. Teacher in charge, please join with your team.
Once again, big congratulations. Keep calm and keep your hands clear.
Three cheers for Synopsium College Man team. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
Once again,
Okay, okay. Nice.